So, y'all, as you can see, man, we came, we saw, we conquered. As you can see, the goodie bag back there in the back. I finally got hold to my jacket that I was looking for. Y'all know, like, you've been watching my previous videos, I've been after this jacket for so long. Not only to go to the store today, they have the jacket. Not only did they have it, it was cheaper than what it was originally going for at first. So I feel like it was meant for me to get up and go to the store today. You see what I'm saying? But as far as selection-wise, at that particular store, they had a lot of more stuff. They had a few more new things that they didn't have. So now they're finally getting their winter stuff in, because I guess they wanted to get some of the stuff out the way for the Christmas sale. So most of that stuff is out and most of the winter stuff is coming in. So like I say, today was a win-win going to the store. And yeah, this mask right here I want to show y'all. Man, y'all make sure y'all take care of y'all, because COVID stuff is crazy. This mask is actually on the site dirty.org. Y'all make sure y'all check that out. I will drop the link in the video. And man, make sure I go copy y'all one of them. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all go copy y'all one of them. Little marketing in there. Shout out my little brother Pat. But yeah, man. Like I said, once again. Oh, yo, matter of fact, let's run up them IG numbers. I'm gonna drop my IG in the video as well too, so y'all can see what that is. That is Scotty_Nino. So we can try to get those numbers up. Let's go ahead and run this IG up as well, since we're doing all this stuff. Cause my IG is definitely, now I will be showing you videos on the YouTube, definitely. But my Instagram is definitely where I be putting everything on there. So, and make sure my IG, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. And make sure y'all comment when I post my videos showing y'all these outfits. Cause like I say, I'm gonna say this now, I'm gonna say it again. I wanna get to the point where I rate my subscribers' outfits. You see what I'm saying? Y'all rate mine, I'm gonna rate yours. You know, it's a fashion channel. We're gonna do what we do. But yeah, man, once again, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna get up out of here, man. Thank y'all once again for tuning in to your boy. We like family. Like I say, I hate I even use the word subscribers. I start saying I need to get to the point where I'd say family, period. Don't even use the word subscribe. But yeah, man, once again, I appreciate y'all for taking your boy out, man. Thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twisted, baby girl just wanna